piniboses natin. Okay, so we have here physics problem solving still na part ng ating playlist. Okay, so bale na natapos na natin sa previous video fluid mechanics of static equilibrium natin. So move na tayo sa ating wave and acoustics. Wave and acoustics na tayo. Yan. So, okay. So dito, we have two examples. Agad-agad. Machine vibrates at the frequency of 50 hertz. What is its period and angular frequency? Okay, so mabilis lang to. Formula lang to. So kunin muna natin yung period na. Period niya is, syempre, since may frequency tayo, period niya is, yan, 1 over f. Okay, so 0.02. Diba? Sobrang bilis. Tapos angular frequency, that is your omega. Meron tayong formula niyan, 2 pi f. Yan. So 2 pi times 50, 314.16 rad per second. O, diba? Sobrang kalila kung memorize ang formula. Okay, X1. Meron tayong slight change dito. Bakit? Kasi meron tayong spring. Okay, a 5 kg mass is attached to a string with a spring constant of 200 newtons per meter. What is the period of oscillation? Okay, so ano na to? Formula na naman to. Meron tayong formula for your period. Meron tayong formula for the period, hindi yung frequency, period. So, bale, magiging yan. So, 2 pi is equal to mass over by the spring constant. So, 2 pi is equal to 5.0 over by 200. Okay, so ang period of oscillation natin, as you can see, is 0.314 seconds. Okay, calculate nyo na lang yan. Calculate. Okay, so that is for our periodic and your simple harmonic motion. Okay, next examples natin. Pagpilis lang kasi ito kasi formula based number to. And so next tayo. And so we have your simple pendulum. So meron tayong two instances here. Meron isa sa moon, tapos meron sa earth. So doon muna tayo sa may earth. Okay. So what length must a simple pendulum have to possess a period of exactly 2.0 seconds on earth? Okay, on earth tayo. So, very simple solution. Kung alam mo yung formula ng simple pendulum, ang formula ng simple pendulum natin is, syempre, by 2 pi na naman yan. Kasi revolution, pinag-uusapan natin. 2 pi over 2 pi, that is 2 pi square root of Lg. Yan, 2 pi square root of Lg. So, pwede natin kunin yung formula ni L. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman, shift solve na lang tayo. So, 2.0 is equal to 2 pi square root of L over 9.81. So, shift solve natin yan. Lalabas dyan. L is equal to 0.994 meters. Okay, malapit mag 1 meter, di ba? Malapit mag 1 meter. Okay, so, it's up to you kung gusto mong ito gamitin natin. Or pwede ka naman mag-coin out ng ibang mong form. So, bali ang mangyayari dyan, may square to. Okay, square mo to. I think ilagay mo to dun sa kabila, that is 2 over 2 pi, that is 1 over pi quantity squared times 9.81 is equal to n. Okay, so subukan natin yun. Ano sinabi ko kanina? That is quantity of 1 over 5 square natin siya. Multiply ng 9.81. Ang lalabas ay yung sagot natin. Okay, so kung yun ang gusto mo, okay lang din naman. Parehas lang din yung sagot. Okay. Yan. So, punta na tayo sa moon. To the moon. Diba? Yan. Okay. So, NASA takes a simple pendulum with a length of 1.5 to the moon. Okay? What is the period of the pendulum on the moon? Okay. So, solution natin is yan. Papalitan mo lang to nito. Okay? So, bale, papalitan mo, ito. Yan. So, 2 pi L over G moon. Okay? So, meron na tayong mga ano dyan. So, i-calculate mo na lang. Hindi natin kinukuha yung L ngayon. Meron tayong dito yung L. So, yung period niya class ay 6.05. Okay? 6.05. Okay? Notice 2 dito, pero 1 point, less than 1 meter. 1.5 greater. So, mas matagal. Actually, sobrang tagal naman na neto. Bagal kasi. Okay. Pupunta na tayo sa ano natin. So, may simple pendulum tayo. Pero hindi tayong physical pendulum. Okay, physical pendulum natin. A uniform 1 meter long stick is pivoted at one end. Dito daw, dito. So, paikot mo yan. Ganyan siya. Okay. What is the period of oscillation? Okay. So, class, notice here, may given tayong formula. Okay. Given na tayong formula. Yan na lang gamitin natin. Okay. Solution natin is, syempre, physical pendulum tayo, that is with moment of inertia. Ano yun? That is I over mgd, or eto, 2 pi square root of I over mgd. Okay? So, yung D daw natin, asan yung center of mass ng object? Nasa may L over 2. Okay? So, ito yung si D. Tatak mo doon. Okay? I natin, ito siya, ito yun. Notice, may M silang parehas. Cancel mo, may L silang parehas. Isang L lang maiiwan. Nagiging 2 pi square root of 2L over 3G. Huwag mo nang salpak lahat yan. Ito na lang. So, ilagay natin yan. Kukuha natin is 1.64 seconds. Okay? 1.64 seconds. Okay? So, ganyan kasimple dyan. Try natin sa kabila. Okay? So, solid uniform disc of radius 0.4 is pivoted on its outer edge. So, dito lang. Okay na. Ito man. Hindi mo napapansin eh. Okay. So, what is the period of small oscillations? So, notice here, class. Dito, ICM. Okay? Dito ICM. Bakit? May solution kasi tayo dyan. Yan. So, parallel access theorem. Okay? So, yung I natin is equal to ICM plus MD squared, and D is equal to R. Pero sir, bakit di natin ginamit sa kabila? Actually, class, ang cylinder is 1 over 12 ml squared. Okay, 1 over 12 ml squared. I think, tama pagkakaalala ko. Okay, so this is basically derived from this one. This is derived from this one. So, ito, hindi na natin ipapadaan dito. Okay, pero ito, wala kasing ganito. So, bale, kailangan natin i-derive. Okay. So, derive na natin. So, 1/2, ito siya. Lagay mo dyan, MD, D is equal to R. So, R squared. So, 1/2 plus 1, 3 over 2, R squared. Isalpak mo siya dito sa formula na yan. Okay. Yan. So, from here, nakakuha tayo ng shortcut. Okay, shortcut yan. So, dito, ito na maiwan. Bakit? Mas cancel. R, cancel. Maiiwan. Si 3, nasa taas. Si 2, nasa baba. Alamang si 2 ang bababa. So, 2G, 3R. Okay. So, sa values, 1.55 seconds. And notice here, mabagal to, mas mabilis to. Bagal yan, mas mabilis to. Kasi, in time blizzard, 1.64. Ito, this is 1.65 naman. Okay. So, yan ay physical and tune. Okay. Last topic natin for wave and acoustics natin. So, we have your Doppler effect. Okay. So, if our truck drives at 30 meters per second directly toward the stationary observer, okay. So, the siren emits a 608 hertz. So, what frequency does the observer hear? Okay. Doppler effect. Ito ang formula. Okay. Pag Doppler effect, ito ang formula. So, bale, may Fs tayo. Ano yung Fs? Frequency ng source. FL, frequency ng listener. Actually, observer. Pero, listener na lang. Okay. So, ano yung V? Velocity of sound in air. Okay. Velocity na source. Velocity ng observer. Okay. So, salpak values. Velocity ng sound in air. 343 meters per second. So, 343. Velocity neto. Stationary. 0. Bakit plus? Papunta yung source kay observer. 343 minus 30. Okay. Minus 30. Okay. Malalaman yan later. Later na lang. Okay. So, frequency. Ito yung naririnig ni observer. Ito. Okay. So, medyo, I think, mas mataas yung, frequency. Okay. So, punta tayo sa last. Malaman natin kung ano yung sign convention. Okay. So, a police car traveling at 40 meters per second, speeding car. Okay. The police siren emits a 1,000 hertz tone. What frequency does the speeding driver hear? So, sign convention natin, guys. Kapag listener towards, okay, positive sa taas. Listener away, negative sa taas. Source towards, notice kanina, towards yung fire truck, so negative. Source away, positive. Okay. Ayan. So, ano sign convention natin here? Okay, is moving away from the source. So, negative. The source is moving towards. So, negative din sa bata. Okay. So, solution lang natin. So, simple. Ito pa rin. Okay. Sign conventions na natin, ha? Yeah. So, 1,000. Ito siya. Ito yung sa sound. Ito ay negative. Bakit? Listener is moving away. Ito ay negative. Source is moving towards. Okay. So, ang sagot, mas malaki na naman. Mas malaki na naman. Okay. Okay. So, that is for our last example, last additional example for your Doppler's effect and for wave and acoustics natin. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned na lang kung meron pa tayong additional lessons. Okay. So, magkakaroon na naman tayo ng physics problem solving later on with additional topics. Okay. So, stay tuned.